Well, I almost met my match. I am doing these barrel locks, and I'm using this killer HPC jig. I mean, it's really killer. But the Chinese locks are so far off on their measurements. There's their pins. And when you measure their pins and you measure the cuts on their key, which is not this one, but it's this one, they're 2 numbers off. How frustrating. And they will not fit on this jig. Their key won't. What a learning lesson. But I finally come up with the right measurements, and they are ace locks with funky, crazy pins.